Hey guys, today we're brushing our homemade toilets outside, part 2. We're by
Featuring
nature.
Featuring me.
Here we go. Yep. Okay, now let's listen to the truck wave. Actually, I'm gonna film that pipe right there, see if anything comes out. Flush the toilet. Yep. Okay. Wait. Okay. Now. Wow.
Hey, the water's actually starting to clear up a tiny bit.
Gonna flush.
I know it's a little bend right there. I'm gonna fix. It's all bend. Okay.
Oh, sorry. All right.
I'm gonna go check in. I'll be back. I'll fix it.
Oh yeah.
Dissolving paper.
Yep. Oh. Ooh. I'm gonna throw in a few rocks, like I did last time. I filmed. Not last time. I deleted the video on my YouTube channel.
Maybe some of this water.
Oh, that was my scooter. Look at all this nature doing outside. I know this water's kind of dirty, but okay, here we go. Push rocks. Yeah, you can tell because that noise when the rocks.
Since I got enough water, time to make the siphon.
Oh, can't miss this. Dropping a rock. That's another rock. Millions of trucks. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Nice view. Those trucks carrying everything. And again, it's kind of a cloudy day. So, yeah, it's so cloudy out here. Kind of. Alright, there's no trucks out here. So. Alright. Nope, gonna siphon. Oh. Oof. Okay. Okay. Stupid screaming. Just want to let you all know. Just want to show you the trapway. Yeah. Looks like a berry. It goes out from here, from these rocks. The pipe goes from there. It goes out from there. Yep. I'll do a close-up flush. That was cool. Alright, let's just zoom out. Okay. Yep. You can see In-N-Out Burger. I don't know if you can see it. Yep. So beautiful. Yeah. There's no more trucks here no more. I don't know why. Alright. Time for the last.
Can't wait till Christmas. People are getting A5s.
Oh, scooter A5s. And if you fans want to know what A5s are, it's like these scooters that have big wheels and they go fast, and they're
smooth and creamy.
they're smooth and shock resistant, right? Shock.
They've got shock systems.
Oh yeah, trucks again.
If they go over rocks,
So many.
You can still go really fast.
Yeah, they're carrying furniture to other houses, towns, and. I'm gonna pause this real quick.
They've got wheels like this, but pause. Make it close.
Alright.
You can actually hear the pipe too.
Alright, we're gonna push a piece of paper. Is it showing it good?
Yeah. Even got a little bit into the pipe. Alright, he's gonna be flushing rocks. Alright, this is the last flush.
And then we'll do another last flush, and then we're done. Alright, so give it to me.
Here you go.